The next question now we are going to do is write the characteristics of 2G and 3G mobile technologies. You had done video conference and chat. I had already explained in the previous video. Expand the following GPRS. So its full form is General Packet Radio Service, CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. Now he is asking which type of network out of LAN, PAN and WAN is found when you connect two mobiles using Bluetooth. So this is your PAN. Write names of any popular open source software which are used as operating system. Open source softwares are those software which are freely available on the internet. So you do not do any kind of, you do not need to purchase them. You can freely download it from the internet. So the operating system, various operating system is Linux and FreeDOS. Next, name any two important characters. This is not the part of your syllabus now. Write out the following. Will you use to audio visual chat with an expert sitting in a far away place to fix up a technical issue? How audio visual chat. So I think it should be FOIP, because FTP is not possible. Email does not provide to audio visual chat. I think VoIP is better. Should be the answer. So the answer is VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Name one server-side scripting language and client-side scripting language. We had already done in the previous question. Server-side is ASP and client-side is VBScript. You can give another name because he has said JSP and JavaScript. Which out of the following comes under cybercrime? Operating someone's internet banking account without its knowledge. Stealing a keyboard from someone's computer. No, it's not a cybercrime. Working on someone's computer with his or her permission. It is not a cybercrime. The first one is cybercrime. Operating someone's internet banking account without its knowledge. So write one advantage of bus topology of network. You can see it in your notes. I think the first advantage is it uses less cable length and it is simple. Also illustrate how four computers are connected with each other using the star topology of a network. So star topology is this. Through the central node you have connected the four computers. This is your star topology. Next question is workload consultation are setting their network for office campus at Gurgaon for their day-to-day activities. फरीदाबाद में है बिल्डिंग, रावी, गंगा एंड जमुना एंड हेड ऑफिस है कोलकाता में. तो he has given the distances. He has done some mistake. He is using the names green, red, blue, although the names are Ravi, Ganga and Jamuna. He is using the wrong name, but not to worry. You can understand the things. So distance is green to red. You can now assume the names are green, red. Forget Ravi, Ganga and all this. Assume these names. Green. So the building distance is this. See, the Gurgaon campus to head office is maximum distance 1760 km. And the building green, red, blue and head office are shown the number of computers. So suggest the most suitable place to have the server of this organization. Also give a reason. Justify your suggested location. It is red as it is having maximum number of computers 150. Just a cable layout of connection between buildings inside the campus. Buildings are inside the campus are green, red and blue. So you can connect them either by the bus topology or by the star topology. Either by the bus topology or star topology. This is the bus topology he has used. Through single wire he has connected all. There is some another way to connect the wire. You can use even this way also. You can if you are using red to blue and green. Red, blue, green. So from server all the nodes are connected. This is the second way. This is using star topology, and this is the normal single wire connection. This is bus topology. But here he is not asking you for topology, he is just asking you to give the cable layout. Both are okay. If you do like this, this is okay. If you do like this, this is also okay. Next is your cable layout is done. Suggest the placement of the following devices with justification. Switch in all building. Repeater. The repeater for answer is switches are needed in every building as they help share bandwidth in every building. When repeaters may be skipped as per above layout because distance is less than 100 meter. However, if building green and building red are directly connected, which we can place a repeater as the distance between them two buildings is more than 100 meter. So where the distance is more than 100 meter, then you can connect, you should place the repeater. Listen, when hub is connected, repeater is not required, but he has not given you the choice of hub here. He has given you the choice of only switch here. So if the switch is not doing the task of amplifying, a repeater is required, but at the distance where more than 100 meter. So the distance where more than 100 is green to building, then here you can connect the repeater. But repeater is not required anywhere because distance is not more than 100 meter. He is asking you for the repeater inside the campus, means it is among green, red and blue. Don't consider the head office. Fine. The organization is planning to provide a high speed link with his office in Mumbai using a wired connection. Which one of the following cables will be the most suitable for this job? So he is wanting for high speed link. The optical fiber is more suitable then. Give one suitable example of each URL and domain name. In the previous question we have done it. For example, URL www.cbse.nic. No, it should start from HTTP. I think it should start from HTTP as we have done in the previous question. It should start from HTTP, and only cbse.nic.in is your domain name. Now the next question is name the proprietary software. The proprietary software is the software for which you have to do some kind of payments. You can't use them free of cost. So MS Office, MS Windows, both are not free of cost. MS Windows is operating system, you have to pay for it, and for Office you have to pay also. Now question number 40. Illustrate the layout for connecting 5 computers in a bus and star topology of network. You have already done it. Still I am showing you the answer. I think we have done it. We have done it already. We have done this also. So I think we are complete for now. Now I will send you some more questions and then we will start the new chapter.